if someone is feeling stuck or unsure about where to start in their style journey, what is the very first step they should take to be able to begin that, embodying their true self, in the sense of, designing their wardrobe or their looks? Would you like to add something to it?
Um, we have already discussed that cleaning the wardrobe is definitely one part of it, and also about connecting with yourself and reflecting on your style and mirror selfies. And in case of like other tools and advices, it would be a little knowledge about fashion in general,
Mhm.
of digging deep into where is the textile coming from, what is the what is the message behind it? Like falling in love with that art.
Hmm.
It's there. You have understood what you have, what you wish to do, but it's also about loving the craft. It's about understanding colors, design, textile in general. Like I have been to these small weaver villages, and for example, I've been to Patan for a Patan Patola. I've been to a Yola for Petni, and just going there and going through that, the architecture of that area, talking to the weavers and understanding where exactly are they coming from, the motifs they are using, and the story that they are telling. That is very key to, club it with the story that you want to say. You are definitely understanding your story and that you want to say, but also loving the fabric and the textile and the craft behind it to see what aligns with you. I
Hmm.
feel uh, that is something which is very beautiful.
Great. What steps people can take to start their journey with you, who are confused about their styling and not sure as where to start from?
Okay. So, so the website, we have a website in place, and we do follow the steps. Like the first step is definitely there is a style assessment form,
Hmm.
in which we sort of analyze where you are in your current style situation. For example, is the situation like your wardrobe is full of clothes, but you don't know how to style them? Or is it you are aware about your style, but you can't find pieces that match your style? They're
Hmm.
very basic questions, and that gives me an insight about how to craft that whole style journey for you. Like, do you need more of style analysis of or inner journey and self discovery, or do you need more of shopping to happen? And where is it? Like, what is the gap? So that is definitely the first step of filling out the style assessment form. And then we get on a discovery call. We understand like where you are right now, how are you feeling, and we discuss the answers, and we create we co-create a program for you.
Okay.
And these are all aage ka steps, but the one basic step would be I am very approachable. You just DM, you just drop me a message, and that's what I'm here to do. It's to assist and guide people and be their personal shopper, come girlfriend for all things fashion. So yeah, there are steps in the website that you can explore, and otherwise you can just DM and we can get on a call and take it from there.